Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is February 23rd, 2025, and here are our top stories. Russian drones, AI language apps, AI self-awareness, Genomic AI. Russian drones. In February 2025, Russia significantly escalated its drone attacks on Ukraine, deploying up to 176 Shahed drones daily. This marks a new record. At the beginning of the month, Russia deployed between 55 and 123 Shahed-like drones each day, increasing to over 140 units by mid-month. A peak of 176 drones was reported, totaling 2,686 for the month, averaging 122 drones per day. The escalation had severe consequences. In Odessa, Shahed attacks caused power outages affecting 49,000 people, while an assault on a power plant in Mykolaiv left 46,000 without heat. Ukrainian military intelligence reports a new generation of kamikaze drones, Geran-3, with jet propulsion capable of speeds up to 550 to 600 kilometers per hour and a range of 2,500 kilometers. At least one Geran-3 has already been used by Russia, allegedly containing Western components. The expansion of Russian drone production, particularly in the Alabuga Special Economic Zone, is crucial to Russia's current strategy in the conflict. The combination of increased production and advancing technology presents growing challenges for Ukrainian air defenses. With the expected full operation of new production facilities in Alabuga by mid-2025, the intensity of attacks could increase further. AI language apps. Learning a new language can often feel like a long and challenging journey. However, thanks to technology, this process is now more manageable and engaging. Enter language learning apps like Langotalk, TalkPal, and Univerbal. These apps harness the power of artificial intelligence to offer personalized learning paths, engaging conversations, and instant feedback. By using AI, they provide an interactive experience that helps learners practice and apply languages in real-world contexts. The promise is simple: making language learning more accessible and interesting than ever before. AI self-awareness. A recent study from Johns Hopkins University sheds light on how AI systems benefit from having more computational time. Additional thinking time enables these systems to better determine when they can answer a question and when they should refrain. The research team developed a new evaluation framework to address the current weaknesses in AI assessment. Results showed that more computational time not only improved the accuracy of AI responses, but also enhanced the system's ability to recognize their limitations. As AI models had more time to process, they grew more confident in their correct responses and distinguished more clearly between questions they could answer and those they found uncertain. The team suggests future research should evaluate test times using both exam odds and Jeopardy odds. Genomic AI. A team of researchers from the Arc Institute, Stanford University, University of California, Berkeley, University of California, San Francisco, and NVIDIA has developed a groundbreaking AI model named Evo2. This model can analyze the genetic codes of over 100,000 species and even design new genomes, signifying a major leap in genetic research and medicine. Evo2 is based on a comprehensive dataset of 9.3 trillion nucleotides from more than 128,000 genomes, covering a diverse range of organisms, including bacteria, archaea, plants, animals, and humans. With up to 40 billion parameters and the advanced striped Hyena 2 architecture, it can process genetic sequences of up to 1 million base pairs. Notably, it predicts the impact of genetic mutations with remarkable accuracy, potentially transforming disease diagnostics and treatment development. Evo2 also allows researchers to design new genomes, useful in synthetic biology. Transparency is key as the code and dataset are publicly available, promoting collaboration. Ethical concerns are carefully addressed with safeguards against misuse. Evo2 is set to accelerate genetic research and enhance our understanding of life's genetic foundations. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.